Let's welcome Tia, an AIM graduate from Montclair, New Jersey, who made a bold mid-career transition after years in different fields. Her story shows how AIM's flexible schedules and supportive instructors helped her juggle work, family, and school, ultimately earning her an airframe and power plant, or A&P license, on the very first attempt. AIM proves it's never too late to start over. You're up, Tia.
Thanks, Alex. A few years ago, I decided to change my life. After 15 years at the U.S. Postal Service and 8 years as an office manager at a charter high school, I knew I wanted something more meaningful. I've always loved working with my hands and solving problems. So at the age of 40, I decided to enroll at AIM and pursue a career in aviation maintenance. What motivated me wasn't just wanting a better paycheck. I wanted a career I could be proud of, and one that showed my kids it's never too late to start over. AIM made that possible. Their flexible evening classes allowed me to balance school, work, and being a mom all at the same time. The training at AIM was hands-on, and every day I felt myself getting closer to a new future. When I graduated and passed all my Federal Aviation Administration exams on the first try, it became one of the proudest moments of my life. The day I held my airframe and power plant license, I knew that every late night and every study session had been worth it. That accomplishment opened the door to an entirely new career. I now work on transport category aircrafts, and every shift reminds me of why AIM structure and training matters. They didn't just teach me skills, they prepared me to step confidently into an industry that demands precision, perseverance, and purpose. My experience at AIM changed my life. It opened doors I never imagined possible, professionally and personally. It even inspired me to continue my education, pursue a bachelor's in aviation maintenance management, and consider a master's in aviation safety. AIM didn't just train me for a job, it helped me rewrite my story. That's my journey. Back to you, Alex.
What an inspiring journey, Tia. Your determination balancing parenthood, full-time work, and training shows exactly what perseverance looks like. Graduating, passing every FAA exam on the first try, and now maintaining transport category aircraft demonstrates how AIM prepares students for real careers with purpose. Congratulations, Tia. Your success shows others what is possible.